reviews do not at all matter for where you rank on a page. So it's of no consequence. Here's a product with 11 reviews, outranking products with 637, 252, 1,524, 10,496. That's got 11, that's got 10,000. Clearly, we can make the assumption that reviewers are not given much weight as far as ranking factors concerned, okay? So what is given weight as far as ranking is concerned? Well, it's actually pretty easy. And to understand and explain, we're going to have to go and think about this, and we're going to have to personify Amazon. So let's think about Amazon being quite a wealthy, bald American guy called Jeff. And Jeff really has got a lot of money, but he's in love with money and he wants more money. So he's doing everything he can to make his website make more money. So one of the things that he looks at is and measures is the search that gets done. That's that thing there, the search that gets done, and which product that ranks for that search term results in the highest amount of sales and profit for Amazon. So which search term, let's just break that down a bit, which search term yields the best, which product yields the best ROI, return on investment, for any given search term. Because the product that yields the best ROI, i.e. makes the most money for any given search term, ought to be the product that is most suited to that search term. So there's a high degree of relevancy between the search term and the product, and they result in people buying the product, and that makes Jeff more money. So our game, our goal as Amazon sellers is to make Jeff as much money as possible. The way that we do that is we play Jeff's game. So for any given search term, our job as sellers on Amazon is to maximize the amount of sales that our product makes for that given search term. Now, if our product is a dog toy, it then follows that we would look at the search term dog toy to try and rank for that particular product and to see if our product will yield high ROI for Jeff and Jeff's business. If it does, we will rank really well on Amazon, and we will stay ranked really well on Amazon. If it doesn't, we will rank really well on Amazon when we launch our product, but over time, as people discover and Amazon discovers that our product is not the perfect solution for that search term, we will fall off of the rankings page. There's nothing you can do about that except for continually relaunch your product to make it rank, to kind of game the system, if you like. But that's not a smart way of doing it. Much better to find the thing that the product does rank really well for and will consistently sell really well for. So dog toys for aggressive chewers, for instance. Well, that search term, let's just go here, that search term, that is Amazon's telling us that this product here has got the most ROI for that search term. So if you want to rank for that search term too, then your job is to do a better job of selling to people who type that in. It's simply to do a better job of the sales process by offering them a better solution to their problem. So Anna, what's probably happened here is you've launched your product, you've chose your keywords, but what Amazon's telling you now is you've chosen the wrong keywords. Your product does not make sales for those keywords organically. Therefore, you need to go and look at your keywords and go find some others. That's what that's telling you, Anna. Hope that helps. There's a lot in that. I am aware of that. And that's one of the things that I really would love to be able to get in a room and kind of talk you through. And because it's like, for me, there's an hour that we could go through just on that to really help you understand that. Because it's such an important facet of selling things, not just on Amazon, but anywhere, is product. It's called product to market fit. And on Amazon, it's product to search term fit. That's what we're looking to maximize. The better we are at doing that, the more money we will make on Amazon. It's really as simple as that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.